Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Valentine's paint by line. First, I'm going to go in and paint my heart in the color Honky Tonk Red, and I'm base coating with a number 12 flat brush. Following this, I will go in and base coat my bow in the color Peony. Once that dries, I'm going to go in again with that number 12 flat and some of this soft pink color, and I'm going to paint polka dots on the top part on my heart. And then I will use this soft pink color to go in and do a little bit of plaid, just doing horizontal kind of see-through stripes at first, and then I'll go over with the vertical stripes, and that will make my plaid. Once I'm done with this step, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker, and I'm going to outline everything. Once I'm completing my outline, I'll go in with a little bit of the color Cotton and highlight everything using a number 4 round. And then that will complete my project, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.